Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to claim on Amazon seller. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official Seller Central of Amazon right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL you want to open up. If you haven't already, go ahead and open it up, and once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page of Amazon Seller from where we can get started. Now in the upper right corner, as you can see, first thing we can do is log in. So what you need to do is first have an account to be able to file a claim. So what you want to do is sign up for an account. If you do not already have one, click the sign up button. That is going to enable you to sign up for an account. If you already have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you can get started. This is going to be the home page, and once you open up, Amazon Seller is going to look like this. This is going to be your Amazon Seller Central, where you can take a look at all the options that you can access, such as catalog, history, orders, advertising, everything you need, and for your claims. And so you can manage your claims and file claims, you're going to go into the orders tab right here. So how do you file safety claims in Amazon Seller? Here we have a step-by-step guide on the official Seller Central, going through how we can do so. Basically, what we're going to go and be doing to get our reimbursements and our claims is the following steps right here. So to file a safety reimbursement claim, you can take a look at the steps right here. You're going to go to the Manage Safety Claim section from the Orders tab that I have just showed you how to open up in your main page, and after that, click to file a new safety claim in the top right-hand corner of the page. There you're going to enter in the order ID for the return and click to check eligibility, and if it's eligible, you'll be able to go and file a claim for that order, and then get started with proceeding through the steps, entering all the information that you need and filing your claims so that you can go ahead and claim it using your account. And basically that's it, and all of that is going to be doable right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.